सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे YouTube चैनल को और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें हमारे लेटेस्ट वीडियोस को देखने के लिए। Hello and welcome to Lavnish Sarki class. This is Directorate of Education National Capital Territory Delhi's worksheet number 23, and it is for class 10 students. So we will discuss in this worksheet the major food crops of India and food crops other than food grains. So as we know that there should be some physical conditions to grow every crops. So here is a table given below which contains some major crops and its climates and its distribution and salient features of it. So let's start and understand what are they. First two crops are food crops. First is rice. And what should be the climate for it? Alluvial soil with subsoil chica soil. Temperature exceeding 25 degrees Celsius, rainfall exceeding 100 centimeter. And where it grows? North and northeastern region, coastal zone, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Odisha, Western Uttar Pradesh, etc. And what are its salient features? India's second largest producer of rice after China in the world. Let's go to next crop, that is wheat. And what should be the climate for it? Loam soil is the most suitable, temperature 20 to 25 degrees centigrade, rainfall 50 to 75 centimeter. Loam soil means domat mitti. And where it grows? Ganges, Satluj plain to the northwest, black soil zone of Deccan, Punjab, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh. And what are the salient features of it? India's second major crop, India the second largest producer in the world. Third crop is corn, and its temperature or physical condition, older alluvial soil are the most suitable, requiring less rainfall and less humidity. And where it grows? Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, etc. And what are the salient features of it? Sorghum, millet and maize are the main grains. Jowar, India's third major crop. Next is gram. Dry and cold climate required moderate rainfall 60 to 90 centimeter. And where it grows? Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab and Maharashtra. And what are the salient features? In the world production of gram, India ranks first. Next is peanut. Dry climate, loam and red loam are most suitable. Where it grows? Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, major producing states. And what are the salient features of it? Half of the total oil seed production is derived from groundnut. And the last crop is sugarcane. Hot and subtropical crop temperature, that is 21 to 27 degrees centigrade, and rainfall is 75 to 100 centimeter. Where it grows? Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. And what are its salient features? India's second largest producer after Brazil, India's major cash crops. तो बाकी सब क्रॉप्स की भी आप ऐसे ही लिस्ट बना सकते हैं, क्योंकि इससे आपको समझने में बहुत आसानी होगी और ये क्वेश्चन अक्सर बोर्ड के एग्जाम में जरूर आता है. नाउ लेट्स गो टू आवर क्वेश्चन आंसर सेक्शन. सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हाउ आर ग्रेन एंड वेजिटेबल प्रोडक्शन रिलेटेड टू इन्फ्लेशन? So my suggestion is, grain and vegetable production are directly related to inflation, as food is the essential commodity or item. So if production is less and demand is high, there will be more inflation. If production is high and demand is less, there will be deflation, or vice versa. If both are equal, then there will be less inflation, as it is directly related to household budget. Let's go to second question. which cereal do you use the most? The answer is we use wheat and rice the most. The third question is write the names of any two cash crops. Answer is sugarcane, tea, coffee, peanut and many more. आप जो भी चाहें वो लिख सकते हैं, अपनी बुक में से भी देख के लिख सकते हैं. And the last question is make a list of major oilseed crops used in your homes. The answer is peanut, mustard, coconut, sunflower, rice, etc. क्योंकि ये सभी के सभी ऑयल सीड हैं और हम इनसे ऑयल लेते हैं और अपने घरों में यूज़ करते हैं. So now that's all for this worksheet. मेरे साथ इसी तरह बने रहिए और अगर मेरे इस तरह समझाने से आपको थोड़ा सा भी समझ में आता हो तो इस चैनल को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए और बहुत ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए और मेरे साथ इसी तरह वर्कशीट को समझते रहिए और ध्यान और मन लगाकर ज़रूर पढ़ते रहिए. थैंक यू वेरी मच.